हेलो एंड वेरी वार्म वेलकम। आप लोगों का सभी का स्वागत है पति पत्नी और आईपीएल में। आज हम एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट के साथ हैं। हमने आपको बोला हुआ है काफ़ी समय से कि हम प्लेयर्स से बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे इस पूरे आईपीएल के दौरान, और आज हमारे साथ हैं इंडिया के अपकमिंग बैट्समैन यशस्वी जायसवाल, जो डेब्यू कर रहे हैं इस आईपीएल में, बल्कि उनका डेब्यू हो चुका है। तो पहले मैच के बाद यशस्वी जायसवाल हमसे जुड़े एंड वी आर सो एक्साइटेड। तो उनसे बात करते हैं। यशस्वी, सबसे पहले थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। हाउ हैव द लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स बीन फॉर यू विद राजस्थान रॉयल्स इन द आईपीएल, एंड हाउ आर यू एडजस्टिंग टू द एनवायरनमेंट?
I think it's been a great and amazing. Actually, the environment, it's like a, I haven't been any these kind of environment. And the seniors, if you are talking about, the seniors like Robin Uthappa Bhaiya and Sanju Bhaiya and obviously Steve Smith and everyone, David Miller, they are just treating me like a small brother. They are like my elder brother, and I'm really happy to be part of Rajasthan Royals family. And yeah, it's amazing feeling to be be in the IPL, and we did well actually in the last game, and yeah, it's amazing.
यशस्वी, आप हमें ये बताइए कि when you got to know that the IPL was indeed going to be held in the UAE, was there any apprehension, about traveling, and what was your first reaction that the IPL was back on track?
It was a amazing feeling actually that only I can feel. Actually, I know that nobody can else feel that. Only the person who is going into the ground, into the wicket, who can understand what's going on. And I just want to enjoy it, and I did actually, and it was a amazing feeling. I was nervous obviously, and I think that nervousness I felt really good, and that's it.
Yashasvi, what did Steve Smith say to you when he handed you the cap?
He said, just enjoy your game, go and enjoy, good luck.
What's it been like spending time with Steve Smith, interacting with him, playing under him?
I'm glad that I'm playing in his captainship, and I'm looking forward to learn from him, and I'm doing actually, and it's amazing to be playing under him. That's all I want to say. And he's a great captain. He's a legend player obviously in cricket, and with that he's an amazing human being. Amazing.
Rajasthan Royals under John Gloucester had a very strict fitness routine during the lockdown. What did he tell you during the lockdown?
I think he gave me some schedule, like what can I eat, what I can follow, what fitness I can do, and all the under 19 trainers and SNC, they were also there, and they just give me some program which I have to follow, and I did, and it was good.
Can you describe that feeling of playing your first ball in the IPL?
Actually, it was quite aggressive because I just step out and play second ball, because I thought ball was swinging. I just want to. Actually, I was waiting when I go and bat. It was amazing. Yeah, that's it.
Do you think you're best suited to opening the batting?
Yeah, I'm really happy to be open for Rajasthan Royals. Or I love that opening slot, whichever I play.
यशस्वी, हम जानते हैं कि आपकी लाइफ में क्या क्या स्ट्रगल्स रहे हैं, कितनी हार्डशिप्स आपको आपके फैमिली को ओवरकम करनी पड़ी आपको यहाँ तक लाने के लिए. Whenever you've achieved a milestone, making your under 19 captaincy debut, scoring 100 for India under 19, taking the team to the finals, then becoming the fastest scorer of a List A double century in Indian cricket, to फिर getting an IPL contract worth over 2 crores, to then finally making an IPL debut. ये बताइए हमें, each time you tick off these milestones, is it justification कि जितनी भी मैंने hard work की है, जितनी भी मैंने sacrifices की है, it's all worth it?
I think every day is worth it. What you're doing each and every day, how you are doing, how's your mindset, what you want to do in your life, and what I want to do in my life. And I think I just enjoyed every day, whatever, if is a good thing, if it's a bad thing, I just want to learn from them. Then if I learn, then I'll grow. That's the thing, I think. And yeah, it's been a really good journey. I think it was hard, but I enjoyed it.
Yashasvi, after the match, you must have spoken to your family, your coach, Jwala Singh ji. What was that conversation like?
Yeah, I had spoken with my family, with sir, everyone. If they text me, I was like, yeah, I just replied, normal talk, how was it, you will do better in next game. I was like, yeah, okay, thank you, and I'll try my best.
You mentioned that your heroes are Sachin Tendulkar and Wasim Jaffer. If there was one trait of each batsman you could imbibe, what would it be?
I think they both are an amazing human being. As a cricketer, obviously, I respect them a lot, and as a human being also. And I just want in myself as a good human being. And yeah, how they were preparing for the game, how they were doing their stuff outside of cricket, in the cricket, how they learn the game, how they understand the game. I just want to learn all these things, and I'm just trying to find out how can I learn and how can I understand the game well, and that's it, I think.
Thank you so much, Yashasvi, हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए. It was wonderful talking to you. We wish you all the very best. यहाँ हम दोनों और हमारी जो टीम है पूरी, wishing you all the very best for the IPL. Thank you.
Thank you.